Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making braised pork hocks with pork feet. For this recipe we are using 4 pork hocks and 4 feet. Season with salt and pepper on both sides. The pork feet have a total of 8 pieces after they have been cut in half at the meat market. Season with salt and pepper on both sides as well. Now set a Dutch oven over high heat and add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil followed by 1 tablespoon of butter. Then sear the pork in batches about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once the pork has been seared and nicely browned, remove from the pot and set it aside. Now reduce the heat to medium, then add in a mirepoix to the pot, which consists of 1 large onion, 1 large carrot, and 2 celery ribs diced. To that, add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Saute for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the onion becomes translucent. Then add in 5 cloves of garlic minced. Cook off the garlic for about 1 minute or so or until it becomes fragrant. Then add in a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. Cook and stir until the tomato paste starts to caramelize about 2 minutes. Then sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook off the flour for about 2 minutes. Once the flour has cooked off, add in 1 cup of white wine. Now increase the heat to medium-high, bring the sauce to a simmer and reduce the wine to about half. And remember to deglaze the bottom of the pot as you do so. Once the wine has been reduced, add in half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of dried rosemary, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 bay leaf. Give that a quick stir to wake up the spices. Then add in 2 cups of chicken stock. Then bring the pork back into the pot. Bring to a gentle simmer and add in 2 cups of water. Then reduce the heat to low and continue simmering on low for about 3 to 3.5 hours. Just checking these guys to see how they're doing, and after 1.5 hours later, these guys are not quite fork tender yet. And after 3.5 hours, taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. After a total of 3.5 hours of cooking time, they are fork tender. And that is it. Serve over white rice or anything you like. And to garnish, use fresh Italian parsley. I think now you are ready to eat. And there you guys have it, braised pork hocks and feet. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.